Hello YouTube. First of all, a shout out to the Pink Nib, a new channel on the practical side of fountain pens with a twist, link below. Go check it out and subscribe if you like. In my last video, I talked about some current Wing Sung pens and they naturally lead to the subject of this video. If you're a manufacturer, you might not want to make everything yourself. After all, you need to allocate your resources wisely. In other words, if you can get suitable components at good prices off the shelf, it would make a lot more sense to use them instead. This applies to every industry and pen making is no exception. There is also the interaction between the manufacturers and component makers, which can lead to ongoing changes and improvements in the components themselves. Here we look at some pens as examples. The 3008 by Wing Sung Educational is quite well known and needs no introduction. There are two versions of it being sold concurrently nowadays without making much of a distinction between them. What I call version 1 has a conventional piston operation, where the piston just goes up and down as you turn the piston knob. And then there's the version 2 that has an extra security feature. When the piston knob is screwed home and you want to start turning it, or when you want to screw it home, there is a little click that you have to overcome. This is due to a small modification of the piston shaft where a small bump is added to each flat side. This means you need to turn the piston knob intentionally, thus preventing accidental operation. However, there is another affordable pen with the non-clicking and clicking variants. I understand the non-clicking version 1 of the Lambito 3059 was phased out very soon after its introduction, and the ones you're likely to come across are all version 2s with the click feature. Here is the interesting bit. The Wing Sung and the Lambito share the same piston drive mechanism, so that the clicking piston can be moved from Lambito and moved to a non-clicking Wing Sung if so desired. Component sharing is also evident in injection molded thermoplastic feeds, whose manufacture requires precision molding techniques. The Lambito 3059 obviously shares the same feed with the 757, albeit in different colors. And Wing Sung uses exactly the same feed. So I can put the black 757 feed into both the 3059 or the 3008, as I might be one of the few who actually prefer black feeds. Another example of different pens using the same feed would be the pilot type feeds. The same feed, albeit in different colors, is used by Caliarts, Lorelei, Wing Sung 3003, and others. There again, many international cartridge converter pens use identical feeds, making finding replacement parts quite a lot easier. Needless to say, identical standard nibs are often used by a variety of pen makers. The feed on the 3059 and the 3008 are of course made for Lamy type nibs, and they're cross-compatible as a matter of course. I hope this is interesting, and bye just for now.